You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome and hello. So today's video, I will be doing a nail look using the AZUREBEAUTY dip powder kit. So I did do an unboxing of this a while back. So I am going to do, like I said, a nail look with it. But before I get started, I kind of want to tell you some of the things that I thought of this kit. First of all, I was hoping that you would be able to use this as acrylic. You cannot. It takes forever for it to dry. I will insert a clip of the swatches along with the ones that I did use the monomer with, just to give you guys an idea of what I mean when I said it took forever for it to dry. So if you're wanting to get this kit and you want to use it as acrylic, it will not work, because like I said, it would take forever to dry. Second thing about this kit that I did not like is the basis, which is the I'm sorry, I'm having a brain fart. The glues, the liquids, whatever it is you want to call it, I do not like it. Those things are so freaking strong. Like, it literally was giving me a headache when I was swatching these. So I'm not gonna swatch these on camera. I've already swatched them off camera because I had to take my time with those, and then I eventually just stopped using their system and use something totally different because it just was unbearable. So I'm just gonna briefly show you again what came in this box. Sorry for hitting the camera. So this is pretty much everything you get with it. Like I said, I've already did an unboxing of this. Now it is missing the brush because I did take the brush out and use it. I just didn't put it back. But this system right here is what I was talking about. So the base, the activator, the top coat, and the brush saver. Like, it is super freaking strong. Like I said, I couldn't even take it. It was just too much. So I didn't feel myself using these colors. Overall, they are pretty colors. I just personally, I wouldn't use these if I was going to do dip. And I don't do dip. I barely do it on myself when I do it. And I'm not even sure what I'm going to do with this kit, because in all honesty, I probably will never use it. Seeing because most of what I have in my collection already, you can use it as both dip and acrylic. So I really don't even have a need for this. So I just want to quickly show you again what all comes in it. We're going to go ahead and we're going to jump right into the video. Okay, so these 6 colors, I used the monomer that I have to see if I can use this as acrylic. And you absolutely cannot unless you plan on waiting several hours. As you can see, as I'm pushing into it, it leaves an indentation. And this was like several hours later after I swatched these. So I highly recommend using this as only a dip system if that's what you're looking for, and not acrylic. Also, as you can see with the clear, it has a lot of bubbles in it. So I definitely will not be using this kit because I don't do dip. But if that's something that you're interested in, you know, the colors are absolutely gorgeous, all of them. I wouldn't use their base and top because it gave me a headache and it was absolutely too strong. So I end up using just regular base coat to swatch the rest of the swatch sticks. So I'm just going to quickly show you all of the colors, and then we're going to jump into a nail look. Okay, so I'm going to go in with these 3 colors right here, 292, 111, and 256. Now I will not be using their liquids because those things are so freaking strong. So what I'm going to do is, instead of using that, I'm going to go in and I'm going to use my base coat from Young Nails. So just to show you really quick what the colors look like. $2.92. This is really pretty holographic orange. And then 111. This is orange. And then 256. This is pretty purple. And it has like a shimmer to it. So I'm going to use those colors. So I'm just going to set up right quick and then I'm going to come right back. Okay guys, so this is what we have so far. So I did go ahead and put a base on top of this one just so to seal in the glitters and to even it out. And then I also added a top coat on all of these to give it a tacky layer. But the top coat that I use, you do have to wipe the inhibition layer off. So I like to keep these on hand. So these right here, it's no wipe. So I want to have that sticky layer. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna do some stickers. I'm gonna go in with my spider gel. Is this the one? No. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, that's the black one. Put a paper towel down. Okay guys, so this is the finished nail look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. And as always guys, stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.
I was on a Tuesday. He gives me good love and something that I never thought existed. I know